Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to justify text in Inkscape. If you have been struggling with uneven text blocks or you're trying to make your designs look more professional by aligning both edges of your paragraphs, you are in the right place. Justifying text is a fundamental skill for layout design, and while Inkscape handles it differently than a standard word processor, it is incredibly easy once you know the secret. If this video helps you master your typography today, please hit the like button and subscribe for more design tutorials. Let's dive straight into the setup. First, you need to open your Inkscape canvas and select the text tool. You can do this quickly by pressing the letter T or F8 on your keyboard. Now, this is the most important part that trips most people up. You cannot just click once on the canvas. If you click once, you are creating fixed text, which does not support paragraph-style justification. Instead, you must click and drag with your mouse to draw an actual text box. Once you have that box established, you can either type your content or paste your pre-written text directly into it. Once the text is inside, select it with your text tool. Look up at the top of your interface at the Tool Controls bar. You will see several alignment icons. Hover over them until you find the one labeled Align Justified. It looks like 4 lines of equal length. Click that and watch as your text snaps to both the left and right margins of your box. Now, if you are finding that the justification creates awkward gaps between words, don't panic. You can fix them easily. Open the Text and Font panel by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. In this panel, look for the Spacing tab. Here, you can fine-tune your letter spacing and word spacing to normalize the look of the block. If you still see some large gaps, or what designers call rivers, in your text, you can perform manual kerning. Just place your cursor between the characters that need adjusting and use the Alt key along with your left or right arrow keys to nudge them into position. A final tip for you. If those justification icons are grayed out, it almost certainly means you created fixed text instead of a text frame. Remember to either retype your text using the click and drag method or select your text and go to the text menu and choose Flow into Frame after drawing a separate shape. By the way, the final line of your paragraph will always remain left aligned in Inkscape by default to keep the readability high, so don't be alarmed if that last line doesn't stretch across the entire width. Stick with these methods and your layouts will look cleaner than ever. If you found this guide helpful for your design workflow, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.